Hello there, welcome. Powerful winds can cause a waterfall to flow in reverse.
Wow, that is the end of the rainbow, ending in the middle of the road. That is freaking amazing. That is the most incredible thing I think I've ever seen. The rainbow is ending right at that sign. Look at that. That is amazing.
In Canada in 2010, a river mysteriously turned neon green. There are many theories as to what caused this, but the most likely explanation is that it's the work of pranksters.
Oh, look up! Look up! Oh! Oh! Oh!
What the hell? This is awesome. Look at that! Look at it here!
There's lucky, and then there's this. A mountainside home miraculously escaped with minor damage after a rockfall in northern Italy. A ring of clouds accompanied by an unusual trumpet sound was recorded in the sky above Jerusalem. Also known as the Eye, this is a perfectly circular, rotating island in Argentina. Despite numerous investigations into this phenomenon, no one is quite sure how this mysterious island formed or how it rotates on its own axis. This is the red middle mist camellia. It's the rarest flower in the world, and only 2 of them exist. One is in a stately home in England, and the other is in a garden in New Zealand. A strange creature found in a swamp in Thailand gained viral attention, but was later discovered to be a snake covered in algae. Worms are seen raining from the sky in a bizarre phenomenon that was recently recorded in China. Deep in Antarctica, there's a sinister-looking phenomena known as blood falls, where a glacier appears to bleed due to underground iron deposits. This creature is called a blanket octopus. It's incredibly rare and has only ever been spotted a handful of times.
Wow.
Krishna's butterball is a 250-ton rock in India that has been balancing on a 45-degree slope for centuries. It seemingly defies the laws of physics, but geologists believe it is likely due to friction and a low center of gravity. Indonesia's Egan volcano burns electric blue due to sulfuric gases, creating a mesmerizing and otherworldly appearance. I really appreciate your time. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll hopefully see you soon. Goodbye.